Welcome to our comparison of the Corsair RM650 and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 power supplies. Today, we will delve into the features that make each of these PSUs unique. The Corsair RM650 is designed for users who prioritize compactness and quiet operation, while the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 offers higher wattage for demanding gaming rigs. We'll examine their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which power supply is the right choice for your needs. Let's get started. The Corsair RM650 provides a reliable 650 watts of power, making it suitable for mid-range builds. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 offers a higher output of 850 watts, catering to high-performance systems that require more power for demanding components like the latest GPUs. This significant difference in wattage can impact your choice depending on your system's requirements. When it comes to size, the Corsair RM650 is compact at just 140 mm deep, making it ideal for smaller cases. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 measures 180 mm, which may pose installation challenges in tight spaces. If you're building a compact system, the size of the PSU could be a crucial factor in your decision. Warranty is another important consideration. The Corsair RM650 comes with a 7-year warranty, which is solid but shorter than the 10-year warranty offered by the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3. A longer warranty can provide peace of mind, especially for high-end components, making the Cooler Master a more attractive option for long-term reliability. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM650 and Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 V3 have their strengths and weaknesses. The Corsair is perfect for compact builds with its low noise and efficient performance, while the Cooler Master excels in power output and warranty support. Consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between these two excellent power supplies. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.